Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to build a sales funnel with ClickFunnels in 2025 step by step. Whether you're a beginner or you just need a refresher, by the end of this walkthrough you will know exactly how to create a funnel that captures leads and makes sales. Alright, so let's get into it. Your first step would be to sign up for ClickFunnels. You can do this by opening up your browser and simply searching up ClickFunnels. So head over to clickfunnels.com, and where we have ClickFunnels trademark, that's the marketing funnels made easy, go ahead and click on this option. And usually you'd be asked to simply sign up and the rest, but I have already signed up, so this is my account. And let's get straight into it. How can you go about, building a sales funnel using ClickFunnels? Your first step would be to head over to funnels and click on this option here. So go ahead and click on funnels here. All right. So once the funnels menu opens up, you get to see all the funnels you're working on, both the ones you've imported and, the ones you're building from scratch. I believe the imported ones are probably the template versions of them. And let's get into it. So how do you go about building a sales funnel? All you need to do is click on create funnel. So go ahead and click on create funnel, and you're then showed something like this. So it says here, what would you like to build? Get started by selecting a proven funnel type. We have lead funnels, we have unboxing, presentation, phone, and other funnels. So lead funnels are used to collect emails. Sales or unboxing funnels are to sell products or services. And then presentation funnels are webinar funnels, for events and trainings. And in this walkthrough, we're going to be going with the unboxing funnel. We can make use of book funnels, but I am more comfortable with card funnel. So go ahead and click on select this option. All right, so you're met with an introductory message from the company itself. And if you scroll down, you can see the funnel. It says the video is a funnel overview, the overview, the strategy and implementation. They're all locked. And then you can see a two-step tripwire page and an upsell page and a confirmation page, which you can simply build using the platform. And now the interesting thing with sales funnel is it comes with different types of templates. So we have different categories of templates, from shirts to brochures and medication, that's drugs if you're looking to sell things like that. Any kind of product you could sell using this funnel. And you can also preview the template. If you're not sure this is what you want, you could simply preview, but I'm just going to be going with this option here, or you could simply start from scratch. Now, starting from scratch is simply going to look like this. You have the entire funnel to yourself to mess around with. As you can see here, it says this funnel is a payment test mode. You cannot collect real payments. To disable it, click there. So you could simply disable it and set the payments to live instead of test, set them to live. And then you can simply hide the powered by ClickFunnels badge. You could hide it, and then you can input a head code and a footer code, as well as set custom code before the body tag of all the pages in the funnel. You can archive your funnels, you can duplicate your funnels, you can discard or update, and you can name the funnel as well. All of this are available to you when you begin using ClickFunnels. So now all you need to do is just go ahead and click on update and you're done. Besides that, you could add your first step by clicking on the plus here. This is when you start from scratch, and then you can simply drag and drop a page. So let's go ahead and drag and drop the page, or simply click to add. You have your pages. We have an opt-in page, we have a funnel page, a thank you page, a sales page, an order. You could kind of like set it up as a click and drop or drag and drop kind of system. So let's just go with this option. Click on this, and then you can name it. You can add a description, a page URL if you already have an existing page, a style guide, and an index in search engines. Let's just go ahead and create this page. This is basically what it's going to look like once you're done. All right, so once it's done, it basically looks like this. You can scroll through, click on the plus again to simply add another page. So you can click on the funnel to add another page and select the kind of page. The first we went with was the opt-in. So you can select sales. You can have a sales page. They have templates, which is what we're going to select from. So you can go with a template like this. Let's go with this option. You can name it, give it a description, and then simply click on create page. So it's kind of going to look like this on your sales funnel. Once you're done, it's going to look like this, like you've added a page extra to it. Yeah, we have it like this here, and you can now edit it. You can edit this as well. All you need to do is click on edit. Now, if you're going to be going with a template, you're going to have to select the workspace and simply add it to the workspace. So you can import it to the workspace and it's going to open up in a workspace. But while it's still functioning, while it's still opening up, we have the sign up page, we have the home page. So basically, this is what it looks like: a home page, then a sign up page, and then you can click on the plus again, select another page or a conditional split path. Split your workflow into two paths based on set conditions, or split your workflow into two paths based on percentage of traffic. Let's just go and select another page again. All right, so for the third time, you're going to have to drag it and add it to this bottom section in order to add a new page. All right, so once you've done that, you could go ahead and select a recently added or an orders page. You can go ahead and add an order page, a two-step below fold like this, and click on choose, and it would be added to your sales funnel. All right, and back to the template. It's going to have to install onto the workspace. So once it's done, I'm going to show you basically what it looks like and how interactable it is. Now, heading back to this, you have your settings menu here. You have your settings menu. When you scroll to the top and click on settings, you can interact with your settings. And if you're looking to preview any of your work, you can just simply hit the preview option and it's going to show you basically what it looks like on a different page. So this is what it looks like when you click on preview. And basically, this is what it would look like. You can edit the text, the animations as well. Most of the free stuff can be edited. So you can go back to the live page. um, this is what it looks like here, and you can just simply click on edit. So when you click on edit, it's going to load in the page and how you can work with it and how you can change certain elements inside of the page, how you can add certain elements to the page. All you need to do is just open up the drag and drop editor and you should be able to edit your page. So on the left hand side, you'll find the pages you have added. Just click on it and editor opens up. This is basically what it looks like. You can edit the text here. You could edit where the link to. You could add more elements. You could drag and drop. You could also access the editor as well. I think all you need to do to access the editor is just go ahead and click on add element and the editor is going to come out. And here you can add or drag and drop the headlines, subheading, bullets, icons, media, video pop-ups, audio, a button, input, a text area. You know, it's a basic drag and drop system you can use to design your sales funnel and simply optimize it for any kind of website you want, basically. All right, so guys, that's how you can go about building. Once you're done, just click on save, and then you can go ahead and publish your results once you're done. You could easily publish your sales funnel when you're done. After clicking on save, the option to publish would occur, and you can now simply publish this to the web. All right, guys, so that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.